I just discovered a 3-ingredient breakfast hack that changes everything. First, you need tomato, a ripe banana, 5 raw eggs. Begin to dice your veggies, a banana. For this recipe, I will need 2 fingers of bananas. Whisk 5 raw eggs. Add your seasoning, salt, nutmeg. Shred your veggies. In a hot pan, throw in your butter. Stir fry your onions. After 2 minutes, pour in the whisked eggs and turn off the fire. Begin to throw in your banana. Top up with your cut tomato and all the veggies. Spread them evenly and let it sit properly so that it can cook. Season that up with salt and then cover that up with extra whisk mixed eggs. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Oti. Kindly subscribe to Easy Recipe by Oti. Thank you. Cover that up and let it cook on low heat for 5 minutes. This is the result after 5 minutes. Flip that up to cook evenly and then cover. I had to add a little more oil and this is ready. I had an extra cheese at home, so you want to layer it on top and put it into the microwave. Leave it in the microwave open for at least 2 minutes. This is the beautiful result. Our pizza is ready for every picky eater that loves eggs as breakfast. You really need to try this recipe. Give me a like, drop a comment, and share this video to everyone who prefers an easy recipe for breakfast or dinner. At this point, you want to top up with ketchup. And you know what? You section this into 8 parts. That way it's easy to enjoy. See you in my next video. Subscribe. Bye.